Hi, it's Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm a curator of a Nest Pretty lifestyle, which means making small choices every day that adds up to a beautiful life. So today, I'm challenging myself to use Thieves essential oil in my diffuser. Now, I've been using Thieves for a year. I love it. However, I have never put it in my diffuser before. I always put one drop into my hand, like so, and then I rub it on the bottom of my feet. And Thieves is amazing for supporting your immune system and helping you to stay above the wellness line. Now, I am doing Thieves in honor of all my dear family and friends who are still in the throes of winter with a major snowstorm on its way. And admittedly, we're still in the throes of flu season. There's so many people still sick around us. So I put Thieves on the bottom of both of my feet every day. Both me and my husband. That is a small choice that we do every day that adds up to a record of wellness, and we're just thrilled with it. Now, Thieves comes in the premium starter kit, but it comes as Thieves Vitality, which is actually an oil that you can add to your tea, to your water, or put it in a veggie capsule and actually ingest it. So that's another way. I have never used it in my diffuser, so I'm going to do that today. Now, Thieves, I'm going to take the lid off, and the other lid, I'm going to fill it with distilled water. That's what I use in all of my diffusers. Just fill it up, and I'm going to add 8 drops and see what I think. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, this diffuser is amazing in that it will run for 10 hours. You can set it to high, medium, or low, and it has 11 lighting features on it. So I'm going to hit the on button, and then I'm going to go to my favorite, the candle flicker. Now, Thieves is a blend of essential oils made of clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus radiata, rosemary. So it has a very spicy aroma, which is great for winter and when you're homebound because of snow. So think about putting Thieves in your diffuser. Tell me what you think. So, this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. A small little tip of a choice that you can make every day to add up to wellness.